Okay, tonight I'm making hot dogs, and I have ready here 1 cup of tomato, 1 cup of white onion, and 1 cup of guacamole. The guacamole I made myself, and one of these days I'll make the video and put it up in YouTube. Okay, I'm also gonna put the cheese in the hot dog, and I have the pepper jack. I cut the little squares in triangles. Okay, so that's what I have so far. And now this is the pepper jack cheese that I use. And these are the hot dogs that I'm using. It's the ballpark franks. That's what I'm using. Whoops. The first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cook the 4 hot dogs. It's just 2 for me and 2 for my son.
Put 1 extra one in there. Just...
Okay, we'll put 1 extra one for him. He wants an extra. Here we go. Okay. Turn on the heat, and we're gonna cook it in stout. We're not gonna cook it in water. We're gonna cook it in stout. So a whole can of stout. In the meantime, I'm gonna cook them in the back burner because I'm gonna need this front burner. What we're gonna do is, let me turn this off for a moment. These are the buns, the hot dog buns I'm using. I guess you can use any brand you like.
Potato breads are good too.
Oh yeah. My son Ivan is saying that the potato breads are really good for hot dogs, and it's true, they are. Okay, so the bread I'm gonna try to cut in, instead of just slicing it or just breaking it apart in the middle. I'm gonna try to do this. I've never done this before, and I hope it comes out good. Let's hope the hot dog fit. Now I'm gonna press down here. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I'm cutting like a little rectangular shape to fit the dog in there, and I'm just pressing it down. Make sure that you have the correct size of the hot dog so they fit in there. Now,
Smells like stout. Smells like stout.
I know, it smells like stout. Stout is a type of beer. Okay, I'm gonna melt 1/2 cup of butter. That's what the hot dogs look like boiling in the stout. The smell is amazing. So I have like about, what should I have? I have a 1/4 cup of cilantro in here, which I'm gonna add it to the melted butter. Okay. gonna mix it here. The cilantro and the butter. Okay, I'm gonna throw this in here.
Put garlic in there too?
Oh yeah, we should have put garlic. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna put some garlic in here as well.
Any garlic powder?
I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder in here. Okay, and I'm gonna lower the heat now, halfway, and I'm gonna put the breads in here. Hope they all fit. Yeah, good idea. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the hot dogs already. Okay, I think I put too many breads in here. Turn off the stove. It's just to brown them a little and to get that taste of the garlic, the cilantro, and the butter. So first we're gonna put, you can put it any way you want. I guess the onions. Tomatoes. Guacamole.
Mine, I don't want onions.
No guacamole for you?
No, guacamole, yes. Onions, no.
No onions.
Because the guacamole already has onions.
Yeah, okay. So, Ivan wants some honey mustard on his. I'm going to put the French's yellow mustard on mine. Okay. And then we have also some ketchup. And sour cream. Sour cream. I might make them different.
I'll go ahead and make mine.
No, I'm gonna put yellow mustard. I mean, I don't know how we're gonna eat these hot dogs, but we are gonna eat them. So here they are, hot dogs. They sure are a handful. They have the cheese, a mouthful, yes. They have the cheese underneath. I put the cheese, one slice on each of them. And then the onions, tomatoes, the guacamole. Ivan didn't want any onions on his.
And guacamole.
And then he put some honey mustard on his, and I put regular mustard on mine, and I also put sour cream on mine. Okay, so that's it. This is our
Mexican.
Yeah, that's right. Mexican hot dogs. That's what we call them, Mexican hot dogs. And we're ready to eat. Thank you for watching, and hope you subscribe to my channel and press the little bell for notifications whenever I upload another video.
And we hope that you all make this someday and enjoy the pleasure of eating this.
Okay, yes, you have to make this and enjoy it. For a party, it's great for a party or get together or for anything.
Con una pasión